Check out this 2013 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: intermittent wipers, power steering, passenger airbag sensor, passenger airbag on-off switch, rear-wheel drive, power outlet, power door locks, and driver vanity mirror. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.